Okay, so today our topic is identifying the main connective while solving logic sums, that are the shorter truth table sums of decision procedure. Your very first step is to identify the main connective, consider it as false and put the extract mark. Now while solving the sums you are confused about which exactly is the main connective. So today I will teach you the trick to identify the main connective. So yes, this is the first thing. Now if you notice there are brackets, your main connective will never be a curl, as I told you previously in my before lecture. Do watch it if you are confused in your basic concepts for the shorter truth table method. Now here you have three signs. You have horseshoe, you have dot, and you have curl, right? As you know previously, you will never have curl as your main connector. So now here you have horseshoe, dot, and horseshoe. So how will you know which is your main connective? Your main connective will hardly be inside the bracket. Okay, so now here if you see, this P and Q is connected by a horseshoe, then this PQ and Q is connected by a dot, and then this entire bracket is connected with curl P over here. So now this first horseshoe, this you have, this connects only P and Q, right? This dot connects PQ with Q. You are supposed to consider that sign as your main connective, which connects the entire sum. Now this horseshoe connects this entire sum over here. So yes, this horseshoe is your main connective. Okay, always consider that symbol as your connective, which connects the entire sum. So here your answer is, you have to write F, and after writing the F you have to put an extract mark below it. Okay, easy. You have to put a F under the main connective and put a extract mark. This is a very first step while solving the truth table sums. Now this is your second thing. Now again see, this dot is, that is your conjunction, is connecting only this bracket wala P and Q. This P and Q is connected by a triple bar. The only symbol that connects the entire sum is your dot. So your dot will be the main connective over here. Before the main connective, draw for write false and put a extract mark. I think this is not visible. Wait. I'll just increase the size. Okay. Now third sum. See, P horseshoe Q, curl Q horseshoe, curl P. Now this P horseshoe Q inside the bracket connected by Q horseshoe. Now curl Q horseshoe, curl P connected by horseshoe. Now the only symbol that connects the entire bracket is this horseshoe. As I told you, always, you, in very rare cases you will have horseshoe inside the bracket. You will have the main connective inside the bracket. In rest cases your main connective will be outside the bracket only. So this is your main connective. What is wrong with this? And below the main connective you have to put the extract mark, as you all know. Easy. Your very first step should be, you must know how to identify your main connective. Otherwise your sum will not go further. You'll get, you if you guess the main connective only wrong, your entire sum will go wrong. Okay, so now here, can you guess the main connective over here? Now see, P and Q is connected by dot. This Q and P is connected by horseshoe. The only connective which connects the entire bracket is wedge. So your wedge is the main connective with this extract mark. I hope this is clear. Your very first step. My next video will be on how to solve the how to solve the entire sum. First, this is very important. You must know how to identify the main connective. So I uploaded this video very first. Not okay. Now one last sum. I'd solve 5 sums for you while identifying the main connective. Now I suggest you do this work. Go to the shorter two table method. Sums, there are 25 sums in textbooks. Try and identify the main connectives of each and every sum. Now here very easy, the main connective is wedge because the only wedge symbol connects the entire sum. You must always identify the main connective will connect the entire sum. This is over here only. I think this is visible. Now just coming back to this again. See, if you notice, if you notice, see, these are inside the bracket. Okay, this main connective connects this bracket. The only thing that connects the entire thing is this wala sum. Okay, that we had already put F with a dot. Same over here, inside the bracket, the thing that connective that joins the entire bracket is this one, dot. Now in this sum, again P horseshoe Q, horseshoe curl P. So only this horseshoe symbol connects the entire bracket. In this sum, this is very visible that wedge connects the entire sum, and over here this one. So your main connective will be that connective which joins the entire sum, not